With the first conversion kit from regular to the e-bike, robots that can play soccer, or the fastest walking shoes ever made, we have a lot to cover in this video. Welcome to TechOnly, and get ready to see the top 9 inventions and gadgets, and some of them are not even available to buy right now. Make sure to watch until number 1, so you don't miss any details about these great inventions. Hit like and subscribe, and let's get started. There are a lot of conversion kits from regular to an e-bike, but they are expensive and complicated. But now, if you have a regular bike, you can easily convert it to an e-bike in a minute. And actually, this kit is so simple that I'm pretty sure you already figured out how it works. So, this is PikaBoost, and it utilizes an all-in-one design of the battery, motor, and controller to ensure the simplest and easiest installation possible. As a result, it may be immediately installed with no tools between the seat post and the rear wheel. This also means that PikaBoost may be simply transferred from one bike to another. And why I really find this invention so great is because if I'm riding on flat terrain, I will not use it. But if I will go on terrain, where are some uphills, I can just install it in seconds. This product is on a Kickstarter, and it has already completed its goal, so it will go into production for sure. And if you are finding it interesting, make sure to check it on a Kickstarter. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in every 3 people lacks access to safe drinking water. Overcrowding, pollution, and a lack of infrastructure also contribute to this worrying statistic, and even in countries with excellent water systems, drinking water directly from the tap is usually not recommended. That's why this is a fantastic solution. To gather water from the air and filtrate it into pure drinking water, TapFresh is a 100% eco-friendly water source. It removes pollutants and eliminates plastic bottle usage, and not to mention that is ideal in places where drinking water is unavailable. According to manufacturers, it produces 20 liters of water daily, which is really more than enough. But you probably already know that it depends on the area where you live, more humid air, and you will get more water. And that's why it can also be a dehumidifier since moisture is collected when producing water. More information you can get on a Kickstarter page. This is a Bluetooth speaker, but it's different because it uses bone conduction technology to give you a unique sound experience. Just in case you didn't know, bone conduction headphones rely on the sound being transmitted through vibrations on the bones of the head and jaw. It's the same with a bone conduction speaker because it depends on the surface where you put it. It will give you different sound experiences every time, so you can test and enjoy different sounds. Here is an example of how it sounds. As you can see, this type of speaker can be placed on various surfaces such as glasses, guitars, plastic storage boxes, or any surface where it is possible to place it. And this one actually is available on Amazon. What do you think about this type of speaker? And here's another simple yet very useful Kickstarter product. It's one of the easiest to install solar-powered smart blinds. With this, you will transform your home into a smart home so easily and so fast. After installation, you can control your smart blinds via a mobile app, and there are so many features. For example, instead of the alarm, you can schedule that you wake up by natural sunlight. It is equipped with a 2000 mAh battery and a solar panel, so there is no worry about power outage. You can set up to 8 blinds together in one group, and you can set up several groups. Another great feature is constant home brightness, which can automatically adjust the opening and closing angle of blinds according to the intensity of outdoor light, and can be linked with SwitchBot color bulb, allowing you to maintain constant light intensity. Just a quick disclosure that I'm not affiliated with any Kickstarter products. I just find those interesting and innovative. If you are a gamer or somebody who has any type of hobby, then you probably have your working or gaming desk, and it cannot be better than this one. What you see here is the ultimate super cool gaming or working desk, depending on what you need. It's an all-in-one, sophisticated sit-to-stand desk that not only offers a pleasant and performance-driven gaming environment, but also includes a stylish gaming setup in the mecha style. The Livtab brings strong momentum when lifted and has the same Gundam table legs, as well as mecha-like suspension accessories, dual automated lift Bluetooth speakers, and music sync RGB LED lighting. Livtab is not only a gaming desk, but also a multifunctional workstation. CyberOne has a dual motor system and multiple memory settings that allow for quick adjustment, and it can provide up to 350 pounds or 158 kilograms of payload, which is more than enough for almost any situation. There are a lot of variations of lawnmowers, from gasoline, electric, and self-propelled, but they all have one thing in common, and that's that it needs an operator, or basically a person who will operate it. Meet Conga, a smarter, more innovative lawnmower that will automatically set the boundaries of your lawn and detect and avoid obstacles in just 0.1 seconds without the perimeter cables or remote control. And it's doing all of that thanks to the 3 HDR cameras. The VFL, or Vision Fusion Localization technology, enhances Conga to reach 1.2 inches accuracy during initial mapping and mowing tasks. It can detect and avoid any obstacles immediately, including small puddles and hedgehogs or anything that is bigger than 5 centimeters in size. Conga uses a 5.2 amp-hour removable lithium-ion battery, and it can mow up to 850 square meters per charge and covers up to 1,800 square meters daily. It's a lawnmower that will do everything for you, and more information you can find on a Kickstarter page. And this is not just another laser pointer. Instead, it's the most powerful hand laser pointer that you can find. It can easily start a fire at 6 feet or about 2 meters distance and can burn through objects like paper and other soft materials. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, and before even trying to purchase this laser, listen carefully. This is not your typical laser. Its strength is above and beyond what the average person needs. Never let children play with this. You can feel the heat on your hand from more than 6 feet or about 2 meters away. Do not use this with pets. It is way too powerful and could severely injure, burn, or permanently blind them. Same with humans and any other living creature. It really is the most powerful laser that you can buy, but it is dangerous if not used properly. Do you know why I never bought myself an electric scooter? Because I didn't want to stop walking completely, and we all know that we need at least some physical activity. What if we can still walk but much faster? These are the Moonwalkers, the world's fastest shoes. Basically, you'll get to your destination in less than half the time with a 250% increase in your walking speed. These shoes are using machine learning algorithms to adapt to the user's walk, making them an extension of human feet. If you are wondering, how would you walk up or down the stairs? There are 2 modes, lock and shift. With lock mode, you can go up the stairs since the wheels will be locked. Actually, you can stop in less than 1 meter from the top speed, and it will automatically regulate your speed downhill. These shoes will have about 6 miles of range, and they will fully charge in 1.5 hours. What do you think about these shoes? Could you see yourself using them one day? This is RAY. It stands for Robotics Access for Everyone. So it means that is an open source robot, so what this robot could do depends on the user. For people who don't want a robot with pre-made operations, robots that cannot do anything else that wasn't pre-programmed, this is the perfect solution. And that's the beauty of any open source project, because you are not limited. This robot is packed with a variety of sensors and cameras, and that's why it's so advanced. This is an example of how an expert taught a group of 4 Rays to play a game of 2-on-2 soccer. This was made in Unity as a simulation, but all this knowledge can be transferred to real Rays, so they can perform like this in a real life. Your only limit with this robot is your imagination. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos about various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.